Have you ever wondered what secrets lie beneath the endless ice of Antarctica? We often think of it as a vast white wasteland, a silent continent at the bottom of the world. But what if I told you that this frozen desert is home to some of the most bizarre natural phenomena on Earth and is shrouded in mysteries that challenge our understanding of the world? Get ready, because today we're journeying to the Earth's most extreme continent to uncover the unknown face of Antarctica. Let's start with something that looks like a scene straight out of a horror movie. The Blood Falls. Imagine a pristine white glacier, and from its heart, a waterfall of deep crimson liquid pours out, staining the ice a gruesome red. For nearly a century, scientists were baffled. Was it some kind of red algae, a mysterious chemical reaction? The truth, discovered only recently, is just as fascinating. Trapped beneath the Taylor Glacier for over 1 million years is an ancient saltwater lake. This water is completely cut off from light and oxygen, and it's incredibly rich in iron. When this iron-rich water finally seeps through a fissure in the glacier and hits the air for the first time, the iron oxidizes. It rusts, instantly turning the water a shocking blood-red color. It's a liquid time capsule, giving us a glimpse into a world that has been frozen in time for millennia. But the oddities don't stop there. What if I told you that Antarctica, the coldest place on Earth, is also a land of fire? It's home to Mount Erebus, the southernmost active volcano in the world. This colossal mountain of fire and ice constantly spews out plumes of gas and steam, and its crater holds a persistent lava lake, bubbling away at over 900 degrees Celsius. But what makes Erebus truly unique are the incredible ice formations it creates. The hot volcanic gases escape through cracks in the ice, creating towering ice caves and chimneys known as ice fumaroles. These structures can grow several stories high, like frozen skyscrapers, with shimmering ice crystals lining their interiors. It's a breathtakingly beautiful, yet dangerous natural art gallery, sculpted by the planet's most extreme elemental forces. Now let's dive beneath the ice, into a world hidden from our eyes for millions of years. Scientists have discovered a vast network of more than 400 subglacial lakes under Antarctica's ice sheet. The most famous of these is Lake Vostok, one of the largest lakes on the planet, buried nearly 4 kilometers beneath the ice. The water in these lakes has been isolated from the rest of the world for an unimaginable amount of time. Think about it. An entire ecosystem untouched by humans, evolving in complete darkness, under immense pressure and in freezing temperatures. When scientists finally managed to drill into these lakes, they found a microscopic world teeming with life, unique bacteria and microorganisms that have survived in conditions we once thought were impossible for life to exist. These discoveries are completely rewriting our understanding of where life can thrive, not just on Earth, but potentially on other frozen worlds in our solar system, like Jupiter's moon Europa. The sky above Antarctica is just as mysterious as the land below. During the polar summer, the sun never sets for months, and in winter it plunges into months of complete darkness. This extreme environment creates some of the most spectacular atmospheric phenomena. You might have heard of the aurora australis, the southern lights, which paint the dark winter sky with dancing curtains of green, pink, and purple light. But there's something even rarer: nacreous clouds, also known as mother-of-pearl clouds. These are thin, wispy clouds that form in the stratosphere, much higher than normal clouds. They are so high that they catch the sunlight even after the sun has set below the horizon, glowing with iridescent pastel colors that shimmer and change. Seeing them is a once-in-a-lifetime experience, a truly ethereal light show in the coldest place on Earth. Beyond these proven scientific wonders, Antarctica has long been a breeding ground for myths and legends. For centuries, cartographers included a massive southern continent on their maps, calling it Terra Australis Incognita, the unknown southern land. They imagined it to be a lush, populated paradise, a counterbalance to the continents in the northern hemisphere. Of course, the reality was much harsher. But the real modern myths began in the 20th century. One of the most persistent tales is that of a secret Nazi base, known as Base 211. The story goes that during World War II, a German expedition discovered a network of warm water caves and tunnels under the ice, a hidden oasis. Legend says they built a secret base there to continue their research after the war. After Germany's surrender, some high-ranking officials supposedly fled there in advanced submarines. While there's no credible evidence to support these claims, the idea of a hidden world under the ice continues to fuel conspiracy theories and capture the public imagination. This brings us to the infamous Piri Reis map of 1513. This ancient map, drawn by a Turkish admiral, is startlingly accurate for its time. But what makes it so controversial is that it appears to show the northern coastline of Antarctica, but without its ice cap. How could a 16th century map maker possibly know what the land looked like beneath kilometers of ice, something we only confirmed with modern radar technology? This has led to all sorts of theories, from ancient advanced civilizations to extraterrestrial visitors who mapped the Earth long ago. Mainstream historians offer more grounded explanations, suggesting it might be a depiction of the South American coastline that was mistakenly bent eastward, or simply a compilation of earlier, less accurate maps. Whatever the truth, the Piri Reis map remains an enigma, tying this frozen continent to a deep, mysterious past. And of course, we can't talk about Antarctic mysteries without mentioning UFOs. For decades, there have been reports of strange lights and unidentified flying objects over the continent. The desolate, unpopulated landscape makes it a perfect, discrete location for, well, who knows what. In recent years, with the help of satellite imagery, people have found all sorts of strange shapes on the ice, from what look like pyramids and giant faces to entrances of supposed alien bases. While most of these can be explained as natural rock formations, tricks of light and shadow, or digital imaging artifacts, a phenomenon known as pareidolia, the sheer volume of these discoveries keeps the mystery alive. Is Antarctica just a place of extreme natural beauty, or is it hiding something more? From blood-red waterfalls and volcanoes of ice to hidden lakes and legends of lost civilizations, Antarctica is so much more than a sheet of ice. It's a continent of extreme contrasts, a place where science fiction meets scientific fact. It's a laboratory for understanding life's resilience, a window into our planet's past, and a canvas for our wildest imaginations. It reminds us that even in the 21st century, there are still parts of our own world that remain profoundly mysterious and unexplored, just waiting for us to uncover their secrets. What do you think is the most fascinating secret Antarctica holds? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this journey to the bottom of the world, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more adventures into the unknown. See you next time.